everyone, welcome back to my tropical garden. Well, today I've got a job in hand, one that must be done. I'm going to pick all of the ripe tomatoes in my greenhouse because they're growing and ripening faster than we can eat them, and I intend to freeze them, store them in the freezer and use them for soups or other sorts of things. We'll save a few for salads, and hopefully some more will be coming on. So yeah, follow me, off we go. And while we're at it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So here we are, just going into the greenhouse here, and there are all the red tomatoes. There are a lot of green ones here as well. The green ones, I'll probably save those for chutney, but I don't want to lose these red ones because they're beautiful. And as I said before, they're going ripe faster than we can eat them. And no, look, it's my usual problem, tomato blight. I get this same time every year. I think it's probably the dampness in the air, but the tomatoes are still alright, which is good. I'll cut this off, I'll get rid of all that tomato blight and save all the tomatoes. I have to preserve these, most of them, by putting them in little boxes, and then I put them in the freezer, and they're great for soups, curries, flavouring all sorts of things. Better to save these and use these rather than let them go to waste. So I'm going to be picking them and putting them into this bowl. Pick, there's loads and loads. It's been a good year this year. We've been picking them for a couple of months now, perhaps even more. I've decided to grow a few later plants that I'm going to try under a grow light, or maybe even treat myself to a grow tent, I'm not sure. There's a beauty there, look at these ones. Really nice, really tasty. I've got a few different types here as well. I've got Alicante, Marmande, which are the great big French ones. I've got some black opals and some midnight snack. So as I collect them up, I'll be putting them into this bowl. Might even need another bowl, the way things are going. I'm getting so many. There's a beauty, look at that. It's probably one of the biggest ones so far. In it goes. There's a few more. Well, I think I deserve to taste one. Oh wow, these really are delicious. You can't beat homegrown tomatoes, can you? Not really. So fresh, juicy, and still warm from the sun that we've been having.